Hello my loves, welcome back to the vlog. I feel like I haven't picked up the vlog camera in just like a few minutes because we went to Dollywood. We had such a fun trip. And then afterwards, after my girlfriends left, which is like in the previous vlog that you can go watch, it was such a fun trip. But after they left, I was like, I just felt so overwhelmed and really just needed a few days to like recenter myself and get things together. Christmas is in a few days and we're leaving for Texas in a few days, which I'm so excited for. It is so chilly here in Nashville and I'm just ready for warm Texas. Like, I don't want a white Christmas. I want a sunny, warm, carne asada, tacos de harina. Like, I want just a Mexican Christmas. So I'm so excited to be going home and seeing my family. Well, I'm going to Laredo, which is where my grandma lives, but so I'm not going to my hometown of El Paso, but I'm just still so excited and so happy to be going there. It's been way too long since I've been, and I just feel like the hustle and bustle of the holidays have been so crazy. So last night I performed at Song Suffragettes, which is at the Listening Room here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's kind of a big deal. Like, I was so, is that my hair? Oh no, that's it. So excited because I remember going to a bunch of shows last year and seeing my friends on stage, or like the few people that I knew, and I was like, how do I get on these stages? Like, how do people do this? And just like over the past year, I feel like I've done so much more than I thought I could here in Nashville. And it's just like meeting people, doing shows, getting involved. Like, I just feel like I've made a lot of progress in the past year, especially because, you know, like the new year, you start to think about everything that you've accomplished or things you've done and how you want to achieve even more. So I've just been like reflecting a lot on that. And it was such a great opportunity for me to have. Like, I felt very honored and blessed. And a few weeks ago, I think I vlogged that I like had an audition, and this was the audition for what it was for. And so I felt very honored to like be considered and to have an audition, and that like they reached out to me and they found me online and they thought I was great or good enough to perform. And everyone that performed last night was so good. I will actually link a video to the performance. They live stream it on YouTube every single week. So Song Suffragettes is basically like an all-female artist show, because apparently country music has like an issue with allowing females to shine. I don't know why. I'm not in country music per se, but I feel like because I'm here in Nashville, like I'm part of that percentage of females that I'm like, why don't they only play males? Which is not a bad thing. It's just like, you know, let the females play. Anyway, so it was really cool to be part of them and this organization, and they just do so much for female artists, and I feel like I'm just so excited that I got to be part of it. And it went really well. So I'm like, whew, okay, that was like my last big performance of the year. I have like one more gig on Thursday, but that's just like my kind of like regular gig that I do on Broadway. So that was like my last show as an artiste in Nashville, and it was a really good one. So I'm really happy that it happened, and I'll link it down below. Like I said, like the full performance. We even did a cover of All I Want for Christmas Is You, and it honestly came out really good. Like, we didn't practice it. We rehearsed it once before, and then we're like, okay, let's go and do it. So that was really cool, but I'll link it down below so you guys, if you guys want to check that out. It is a round, so it's like an hour long, but so like I said, today is Tuesday. I feel like I need to start packing for my trip, just getting like my Christmas outfits ready. So I was thinking to like maybe debate on like what I want to wear or have options. If you're struggling with like, what am I gonna wear? It's gonna be definitely like a really chill Christmas for me. We're gonna be at my aunt's house with my grandma, and like, but I still like to get dressed up, so I need to pack. And I got a few packages in, so I thought I'd like unpack them with you guys. I'm not gonna lie, like I started my period, and I think that kind of threw me off too. Like, I was just like having a few days where I was like, I just can't, like, you know what I mean? Like, I want to show up on camera and like be my best self. So I'm feeling that. I'm also doing Vlogmas on TikTok. So I've been vlogging every single day of December on TikTok. So if you want to check out my vlogs and like keep up to date with like the daily, that's like the best way, because I've been trying to vlog literally everything. Okay, so first up, I got some sunglasses from Diff Eyewear. These are so cute. So I've been doing all my Christmas shopping, literally everything online. I'm sending it all to Laredo. And if you are on the hunt for some last minute Christmas gifts, I feel like sunglasses, jewelry, accessories, those are like the best things to get, because those are honestly like a safe gift, you know, for people that are in your life, because sometimes clothing and jackets and like all that style is like hard to pinpoint, but like everyone needs sunglasses. Everyone needs sunglasses, and these are so stylish. These are for the stylish friend or your friend that needs help with style. We all have that friend, but these are so freaking cute. I've been in such a pink mood lately, like it's a problem. And so I got these. How cute are these? And like I'm wearing this little pink puffer. I love it. I also got this puffer from Amazon for the Gatlinburg trip, and I didn't end up taking it because we had so many different jackets, but like I'm in a pink mode, pink vibes. Like Amazon puffer, so cute. Long sleeve pink shirt, pink glasses. I love these. I think these are so fun. I feel like sometimes I get a little too neutral and I'm like, I just need a pop of color, and that color is pink. All right, next up is a package from Fabletics. I recently partnered with them and they've been sending me the cutest things. I've been sleeping on Fabletics. Like I did not realize how cute their stuff is. Look at these leggings. So they're flared and they're gray. Like I've been wanting gray flared leggings for a hot minute. I'm gonna wear this for my flight. Like it's done. I love the crisscross detail, and then you have the Fabletics logo. So cute. Oh my gosh, is this a puffer? Stop, this is so cute. I've definitely gotten more into vests lately. This is cool. This is like perfect for the gym, a walk in the park. All right, so this is the set. It's so cute. It's flared. Love the cut. Obsessed. And then here's the vest. Stop. Babe, am I a cutie patootie?
Yeah, but looking real 90s pop star there.
I mean, that's the vibe, babe. That's always the vibe. Isn't that the vibe?
Right.
Oh, the sun is not sunning there. The sun is sunning too much. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Turn up my heart when I'm
with you. Come on, babe. Na, 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 it too. And no matter what I do,
words I know at this point.
oh yeah, babe. Tearing up my heart and soul. We're apart, I can't break through. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain with or without you. Tearing up my heart and soul. Ooh, ooh. We're apart, I feel it too. Come on, sing it, babe.
I don't know what we're singing.
And the song you started.
Oh.
And no matter what I do, I feel the pain with or without you. How do people do it?
I don't know.
No?
No.
You don't think it's cool, babe?
No.
Whatever. All right, now that madness is over, obsessed, I'm gonna wear this at the airport on Friday, but picked out a few things for Christmas and maybe some New Year's. We're gonna be in Nashville for New Year's, but I might as well start trying on outfits now because we get back on the 30th, so I won't have time to like think about it. But for sure Christmas, again, like I said, I'm gonna be at my aunt's house, so it's not gonna be anything crazy, but I'm still a little cute, so let's try some stuff on. Option number one, I just got the skirt from Forever 21. I love this little detail, the sparkle detail with the bow, and those are removable as well, but I think this is cute. I might want to save this for New Year's because this could be like a vibe. It like stands out, it's fun, very New Year's Eve. So maybe I'll just look for a different top, but like this is an option. This is also an option, just like an all black moment. I feel like we're kind of getting closer. I don't know. Put this like one shoulder top with the red skirt, and it would be cute with these shoes. Okay, this is cute. This skirt has like a nice little fluffy bottom and then just like the same one shoulder top paired with some sparkly heels. I feel like we're getting closer. It's gonna be 75 degrees where I'm going, so it's not gonna be cold at all, so I don't have to worry about like being dressed up or a coat or anything like that. So this is super cute. I do like this fluffiness. All right, we are back to square one. Not really, but I put on this skirt again because I was like, this is just like so cute, and I feel like I'm not gonna have a chance to wear it until like next Christmas time. And then this bow top, like I'm not super in love, but I'm not mad at it. So like, I definitely think I'll take this as an option, but we're still working it out. It's got this top from Zara, and it's just a long sleeve basic. So this makes it a little more Christmassy, but again, it's gonna be like 75 degrees. So I don't wanna be like hot, you know? I love this skirt from Forever 21 that I just got. So our Forever 21 is closing, so everything was 50% off. So I went a little bit crazy, but this is so freaking cute. I don't think with this top, it's like a little too casual. So I'm gonna work through some other tops because this could totally be an option. Like the skirt will be the star of the show, and then I just have to worry about a basic top. Okay, this is definitely like getting closer, but then I'm like wondering if it's a little too much for, you know, just Christmas at my tia's house. But it is so cute, I'm not gonna lie. Like I was like, maybe this will be an option. Totally losing light and battery, but look at this outfit. I found this like green silk top, and then I have this set from Amazon. It comes with a matching top, but the top is kind of weird, but I love the skirt. And I feel like this is like classy, Christmassy, and then also the back of the top like forms a bow, because I really just want to incorporate bows. And then maybe I'll do like a bow in my hair. This is cute. This is a vibe. And I could probably just honestly wear flats, like, which is probably what I'm gonna do because I'm gonna be at my grandma's house, like I said. But okay, this is kind of a moment. And then we're like some pearls.
Get up, get up, get up.
Breathe, babe.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna put this leg out. Oh. He's squeezing the shit out of his hand. It's just making it way worse. Alright, now move your body in this position so it's not supposed to.
Spread your arms out. Look to that way. Breathe.
Stop blowing on me. Air like directly at my face. I look at you, you're I'm laughing at so much harder like this. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do a handstand. Good morning, sunshines. We are heading to a studio session at the ASCAP building.
Logic crap.
20 missed calls. do, 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 do. Morning sunshines. It's a beautiful chilly day. It is Wednesday, and I figured I need to go to the mall really quick just to pick up some last minute gifts. We're leaving for Laredo in like 2 days, so I'm like, okay, any last minute things I need to go there. And they also have a TJ Maxx at this mall, at the Opry Mall that I'm going to, so I figured I might as well go early. It's 10 a.m. right now. We just finished our workout. So I was like, this is the perfect time because I'm sure the mall is gonna be psychotic. All right, we are back home, showered, makeup, freshened up. I was like, I need to just get ready. I did find some cutie patootie things at Forever 21 and PacSun. I got this red dress. I always forget that everything at Forever 21 is like super sale at the end of the year. So cute. This thing was $16. Cute little red mini dress. And I was like, you know what? I know I did this whole thing of trying on outfits and I still have options, but I was like, maybe this will just be it. Like just a red dress with some black tights and like cute little kitten heels. You know what I mean? Just to like seal the night. So could totally go with this top actually. I love like the kind of like chocolatey maroon situation going on, also on sale. Got this like cute little cream sweater from LA Hearts in an extra small. I'm just here for like long sleeve basics. Like clearly I wear them every single day and I'm obsessed. I'm feeling so off and weird today because I'm like, I have to actually pack today. We don't leave till Friday, but tomorrow I'm gonna be singing and like busy and I just won't have time. So I'm like, I'd rather just pack today, get my life together. But it's that weird like holiday time where I'm like, what's going on? What am I doing? What's happening? That's kind of like the vibe right now. I'm like, I'm feeling not as productive as I wish I could be, but I'm also thinking I should take advantage of like start like journaling and planning and thinking about, you know, 2024 resolutions. Like I love that stuff. I know some people are like, what's the point of doing a resolution? But I personally love just like inspiring myself for the new year. All right, it's officially time to pack the bags. I'm taking the medium base. This is the 26-inch, my baby. I have like tons of reviews on the base luggage here on my channel because I just love it so much. And I'm going for a week, so I feel like the medium does well for that. So we're gonna pack this. I'm probably gonna be playing some YouTube videos in the background. Let's get to it. Let's get to packing. Okay, this is the dress that I got at Forever 21 today. That was 50% off. It is so cute. I'm actually really glad I got it because I think this is what I'm gonna wear for Christmas. Like, it's a red dress, and then I'll wear a bow in my hair. I have these like little flats. I'll probably just wear these flats, honestly, because I'm gonna be at home. Or maybe I'll put on my heels for the picture and then just wear flats the rest of the time. I'm kind of starting to lay out all of my outfits and things that I'm bringing. Just makes it easier, like a visual to see like what I'm bringing, what goes with what, so that I have an idea of all of my outfits.